In this video, I'm going to show you 4 tips and 1 extra at the end that have helped me minimalize my phone and transform it into a tool. Try to watch this video to the end and don't let your attention span stop you from breaking free from your phone. And now let's jump right into it. Unfollow. This one is a simple but crucial step to stop wasting your time and attention. Just unfollow every social media account that doesn't provide value to you. Be honest with yourself and take some sacrifices. Turn of notifications. Just turn off the notifications for all apps that are not important to you. If you want to go hard on that one, you can also turn off all notifications but at your own risk. Clean up your home screen. I think we all know that we are more productive in a clean environment than in a messy one. The same goes for your phone. Clean up your home screen. Remove all apps that are just a waste of time to you and put them somewhere where they can't distract you. Try to make the screen as clean as possible. You can even change your background to something simple that doesn't take much of your attention. Deleting apps. This one might be hard for you, but you have to take some sacrifices. Go through your phone and delete all apps that you don't really use or that don't provide real value to you. For apps that you rarely use but that provide value to you, hide them somewhere on your phone where you don't miss them. Remember, you can reinstall all of these apps again if you needed them. Before I am going to show you the extra tip, subscribe for more advice on how to break free from your scrolling habit and regain control over your life. Here's the extra tip. It's the grayscale mode. This one is only for those of you who want to take it really serious. Here's what grayscale mode does to your phone. It's simple. All the colors on your phone are going to get gray. This one is really uncomfortable for using, but it's perfect if you want to transform your phone into a tool. Try it out for 24 hours. You will be mind blown about the difference. You can turn it on when you search grayscale mode in your settings. And now, take action and don't let this video be wasted time. By the way, congrats for making it to the end of this video.